children? Hope all are good. Okay, today in last class I have taught you how to write letter in Hindi. Today I am going to teach you the next letter E. Before going to the letter, we'll once orally we'll see this A to AHA letter. Okay, I'll teach you A, E, U, Ri, E, I, O, AHA. Once again, A, E, U, Ri, E, I, O, AHA. Okay, children, oral you have to learn this. Whenever you are writing, you have to learn oral. Last class I taught you about right. A से क्या आती है? A से अनार. S right. यह A से अनार. अनार यानी pomegranate. Then A से आम. आम यानी mango. Okay, children. Okay, before going to that, you know how to write letter A. I taught you in last class. Okay, children. Today I am going to teach you letter E. After A, what letter will come? E. Right? Okay. Start from the first line, double line. Okay. Small khadi rekha. One small standing line. One backward curve. And with that you have to join one more curve. Here take a small turn. Touch the bottom line and one sleeping line. Once again, one small standing line, one backward curve, then one more backward curve, join with this and a small turn. Children, don't come out of the line. See, children, letter E. Which letter is this? E. Small E. Okay. Like this. Like this. One sleeping line. This is letter E. Okay, children. The next letter after E. Which is the letter? E. Okay. I am going to write letter E. Okay, one small standing line, one backward curve और उसे जोड़कर और एक बैकवर्ड कर्व लिख के थोड़ा सा टर्न लेना पड़ेगा और ए लाइन टच करना. ऊपर एक शिरोरेखा यानी स्लीपिंग लाइन. विद दैट अबाउट द लाइन वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड अ स्मॉल कर्व. Okay, one more time. One standing line, one backward curve, join one more curve. Don't come out of the line shouldn't come out of this bottom line. One sleeping line and one standing line with a curve above the line. Okay, once again. Right between the top line and the bottom line. Okay. Then this letter is E. Which is this letter? E. E. Okay. E. In this class I am teaching you letter E. How to write E and E. Okay, children. So, which are the words related to these letters? I will show you. Which is this letter, children? This is letter E. E say Imli. What is this letter? E say Imli. Do you know what do you mean by Imli? Imli means tamarind. Okay, this tamarind. The next letter E. This is letter E. E say eek. What is this? E say eek. Eek means sugar cane. Okay, this is sugar cane. Children, I am going to show you from the textbook. You can open page number 4. Okay, this is your textbook, page number 4. So this is letter E. E say imali. Imali yani tamarind. E say imarat. Imarat means building. I say istri. Istri yani iron box. Okay, once again, E say imali, tamarind. E say imarat. Imarat yani building. E say istri. Istri yani iron box. Okay, turn the page number 5. Okay, letter E. E say eek. Eek I showed you in the flashcard, right? Eek yani sugar cane. E say eat. Eat means brick, which is used to build the houses, right? Eat. E say Eid. It's a festival. Okay, it is a festival of Muslims. Eid. Okay. E say eek. E say eat. E say eat. Okay, children, you have to practice this from your textbook, reading the pictures along with the letters. Right? Children, this is your classwork. Okay, you have to write the date 15/7/2020. Okay, the date is 15/7/2020. As you all have written, like how you have written say all the words, parents, you have to make them to write. First you have to write the headings. Okay, now write letter E. E. The words you have to write and give them. E say imali. It is in your textbook. Imali yani tamarind. Okay. Then E say imarat. Imarat yani building. Then istri. Istri yani iron box. Okay, children, then write here within the double line letter E. Okay, then children, take your pencil. Okay, now draw line. In classwork, only 2 times you have to write, children. Now write letter E. Don't come out of the line. Okay, children, you are writing letter E. Write the letter between the double line. Don't come out of the double line. Okay, children, this is letter E. The next page, write the same date 15/7/2020. Write letter E. It is a big E. Okay. E say eek. Eek yani sugar cane. Okay. Then E say eat. Eat means brick. Then E say Eid. Okay. Eid. It's a festival. Right. Here in the 4th line, write letter only E. Only E. Okay. Now children, take your pencil and start writing. In classwork, only 2 times letter E. Okay, right now the page full. Okay, E letter E. Write like this. Okay, children, this is your classwork. You are writing only 2 times in the classwork. Okay. Now you are writing in homework book also the same thing. The date will be 15/7/20. Write only letter E. In homework it is 4 times. Write letter E. E say Imali. Okay. Imli ani tamarind. Write like this. Write 4 times in a page. Letter E. This is your homework book. Okay. Now draw lines after the letter. You have to write the homework and classwork neatly, children. This is letter E in this page. Here you have to stick the picture which is related. Draw or stick the picture related to letter E. Letter E. Okay. Then the same thing. Next page. Write the date. 15/7/20. Letter E. This is big E. Okay. E say eek. Okay. Now write letter E. This is your homework book. Letter E. Here also draw or stick the picture related to letter E. Any picture you can either draw or you can stick the letter which is the picture which is related to E. Okay, children, this is your homework book. So you have to write neatly in homework book. In classwork it is only 2 times. In homework you have to 4 times in a page. You have to write 4 times in a page. Okay, children, letter E and E. This is your homework book. Okay. Okay, children, you have seen the video how to write R to E letter, right? Now I am going to teach you oral part. Okay, that is numbers. Okay, that is oral. Okay. Okay, you know the numbers, right? 1 to 10 in maths and all you have learned. In Hindi, what they say for all these numbers I teach you. This is 1. 1 yani ek. 1 yani ek. 2 do. 3 teen. 4 char. 5 panch. 6 छः. 7 सात. 8 आठ. 9 नौ. 10 10. Once again 1 यानी 1 is 1. 2 दो. 3 तीन. 4 चार. 5 पाँच. 6 छः. 7 सात. 8 आठ. 9 नौ. 10 10. Okay, children, in your textbook page number, if you open page number 56, this is page number 56. You can see the numbers Ginti 1 to 10. Ginti. This is only oral part, children. No need of writing and all. This is only a oral part. See here. Ek. Ek yani 1. 1, 2 it is there. Do. Do yani 2. 1, 2, 3 yani teen. Teen means 3. चार. चार यानी 4. 5. 5 means 5. 6. 6 means 6. 7. सात यानी 7, 8, 8 यानी 8, 9, 9 यानी 9, 10, 10 यानी 10. Children, I'll teach you once again. 1. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers you have? 10, 10. Okay, children. Children, I have taught you how to read 1 to 10 numbers in Hindi, right? Children, you have to practice this, how to say 1 to 10 in Hindi in the house also. Okay, children? Thank you.